What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a simple snack that is a well favorite for a lot of Ghanaians and a lot of Africans. Today we are frying meat pie. I've actually baked meat pie on my channel, but today we are frying it. So before we get started, let me welcome you all. Please do all to like this video, leave a comment for me, and please subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you. So for this recipe, I'm just going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you are baking for a lot of people, please increase the recipe. I just added just a tiny bit of salt because my margarine is already salted. So if you are using unsalted butter or margarine, please increase the salt quantity. I'm just going to add about a 1/4 cup of margarine into this. I'm not adding lots of margarine like my big meat pie because we'll be frying this and then butter will actually melt in a hot oil. So that's why I reduced my margarine. Anyways, at this point I realized that my margarine was overtaking my flour, so I added about a 1/4 cup of flour into this. And into this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grated onions. This will give your meat pie flavor. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it at the end of it. So anyways, I'm just going to gradually add about a 1/2 cup of milk into this. Please add it gradually because you do not want to make your dough watery or too soft. So you're going to add it so a dough is formed and then a consistency like this is formed. Anyways, guys, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for subscribing to my channel. We finally hit 1K and we are not even a year old on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to do an appreciative post. Yes, guys, and I just wanted your views. Should I do a sit down video where I review my face, or another video of me cooking and then I just say thank you to you guys? I really want to know what you guys want me to do. Okay, so let me know in the comments. Anyways, I'm going to chill my dough for about 30 minutes, and I realized that I didn't show my filling in this video. So my filling is just beef patty with some diced onions. Guys, this is not just the filling that you can use. You can go ahead to use any vegetable of your choice, any meat of your choice, chicken, whatever it is. But for me, I just had this beef patty in my freezer for such a long time. I wanted to use it. I'm not a fan of cutting up a lot of things, so I just decided to go with diced onions. So yeah, so right now I'm just rolling out my dough. Like, at this point we are not baking, so you have to roll out your dough really thin. Rolling out your dough really gives you that crunchy texture that you want, because if you make it bulky, it's not going to become crunchy, guys. It's going to be delicious, but it won't be crunchy. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to cut out my dough, and then it will be time for me to add my filling. Like I said, my filling is just beef patty with diced onion. Okay, guys, I know that you've seen videos of people adding way too much filling to their meat pie and other things, but believe you me, we are frying the meat pie. We do not want the filling to be overfilled. Because that's not, less is more. Like, you want your dough or your meat pie to be crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Oh, fillet or meat pie with a lot of filling. Like, even though a bear do, but any crunchy. Me, I like things crunchy. Me pay and your ma I crunchy grill, right? So yeah, you do not want to overfill it. So this is what we have now. By this time, my oil is on fire, heating up. So it's time for me to fry my meat pie. So into the oil my meat pie goes. I'm just going to fry this for about 60 seconds on each side, or till each side turns golden brown, and then you would know that your meat pie is almost ready. Okay, guys, let's get interactive on social media. I'll link my Instagram and my Snapchat below so you can send me a message. And also, I want to incorporate a lot of lifestyle rather than just cooking videos. So let me know if you want me to do a Q&A, if you want to know me more, what I do, the gist of life, if I have a boyfriend or not. Let me know and I'll start incorporating that into my videos. So now after 60 seconds, the side of my meat pie was perfectly fried, so it's time for me to turn it. And then my meat pie will be soon be ready to be enjoyed. See, this meat pie goes very, very well with chilled cook. Like, trust me, you get your cook really, really chilled. Take it on a hot afternoon. These days, if you're never Ghana, and I know what they do there. It's so scotchy. The sun is so scotchy, guys. So try this snack, okay? So after frying, look at that perfect, beautiful meat pie. Look at that. It's so crunchy. See. Ah, it's crunchy and it's soft and it was delicious. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and please do well to subscribe. Thank you.